VEO3 has been trending everywhere. Everyone calls it the best. Game-changing. Next level. But here's the truth, it's not on top anymore. Seedance 1.0 Pro just destroyed it. No hype. No noise. Just better results. While others pay hundreds for premium generators, this one delivers professional quality video, faster and smoother, for free. You can upload an image or just type a simple prompt. The results? Unbelievable. Animated characters, dynamic backgrounds, cinematic motion. It feels like real footage, not AI. Even with complex prompts, Seedance stays stable. No weird glitches. No distortions. Just clean, high-quality video. Compared to VEO3, Seedance adds more life, more realism, and better detail. VEO3 feels stiff. Seedance feels alive. It also supports fast generation and high resolution. And if you're out of credits, just use Temp Mail to make a new account in seconds. Want watermark-free results? Upload the video to a free watermark remover and you're done. Seedance isn't just the new player. It's the new standard.